if you don't stop, something's going to stop you.
High turnover rates, a labor shortage, stress, and burnout. This could all be impacting you and your workplace, but it's not going unnoticed. A new survey reveals almost 80% of employers said they are concerned with all of these things. Dr. Christina Bjorndal sees it in her patients and says it can lead you down a path that is difficult to get out of.
Lack of sleep is a big one. And then along with that, then we don't feel like we have enough energy to get through the day. And then when we don't have enough energy, we don't feel like we can cope with the demands. And then we might feel easily overwhelmed.
Healthy eating, exercise, and normal social lives are negatively impacted, and it's a vicious cycle which leads to even more stress. The survey done by Angus Reid and the Healthcare of Ontario Pension Plan saw 4 in 5 employers are also worried about the competitive labor market, while almost 2/3 are worried about employee productivity. I asked Calgarians if they notice this happening in their workplaces. This woman has.
Of course. You're working harder just because there's turnovers all the time. If you want to make it right, you've got to stick out and then help the other people that don't have as much as the knowledge to do other things.
One position in our kitchen, dishwashers, that turns over pretty quickly.
This man says at his job, turnover isn't too bad, but several of his friends work in the restaurant industry and are seeing this.
Everybody's going to get paid minimum wage right now. It's only really worth it if you're working a job that makes you feel good about yourself.
Dr. Bjorndal says in the workplace, there are pressures to widen our boundaries, which could make burnout worse.
Being aware of when you're saying yes, when you really mean no. So that would be my advice, to learn how to gently push the pause button.
In today's changing world, employers are learning that benefits, wages, and lifestyle are important. 67% of the employers surveyed said they were increasing wages, while 33% said they were improving benefits. In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.